Fam, it's that time of the day when the sun is slowly sinking behind the city skyline and the clouds mix with the last golden rays. After a busy day, we're about to find balance, open up, and strengthen our core. Imagine the soft light bathing you, the fresh air wrapping around you. In these 10 minutes, we'll awaken your body, build stability, and reset for the evening. Ready? Let's hit the mat. Now extend your right arm forward and your left leg straight back, creating a long, strong line from your fingertips to your toes. Inhale as you stretch, feeling the sun on your outstretched arm, the warmth still lingering in the air. Exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together under your body, engaging your core. Keep moving for 1 minute. Each stretch lengthens your spine, and each crunch strengthens your core. Imagine the mixture of sun and clouds as part of your flow. Your body balance between strength and stability, finding balance in every movement. Switch sides. Reach your left arm forward, extending your right leg back. Inhale as you lengthen, and exhale as you bring your elbow and knee together, feeling your core activate with each motion. Continue for 1 minute. The light from the sun fades slightly, but your body stays strong, steady. Each stretch grounds you, and each movement builds strength. You're finding balance between the earth, the sky, and your own power within. Come back to all fours. Lift your right knee out to the side in fire hydrant, like you're pushing against the invisible resistance of the day. Inhale as you lift. Exhale as you lower, keeping the movement strong and controlled. Move for 1 minute. Each lift strengthens your hips and glutes, helping you stay grounded after a long day. The sky is turning cooler, but your body is warming, powering up from within, steady in the face of the changing light. Now switch to the left side. Lift your knee to the side, feeling the deep engagement in your hips and glutes. Inhale as you lift, exhale as you lower, staying connected to the flow of your breath. Keep moving for 1 minute. The sun is slowly fading, but you are rooted, steady. With each lift, you're building strength in your lower body, finding balance through every movement, letting go of the heaviness of the day. Come up to your knees, sitting back on your heels. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, lift your hips up and forward, opening your chest to the sky. Feel your hips stretch and your core engage as you rise. Move for 1 minute. Each sit-up brings fluidity and power to your hips, opening them up after hours of sitting or standing. The cool breeze brushes your face, but your body is alive with energy, releasing the tension of the day, preparing you for the night ahead. Press into your palms and lift into downward dog, letting your hips rise high. Now inhale as you lift your right leg up toward the sky for 3-leg downward dog. Feel the stretch along the back of your leg and through your spine. Hold for 1 minute, allowing the sky to stretch out before you, matching the length in your body. The sun may be sinking, but your energy is rising. Feel the strength in your core, your hips opening with every breath. Switch sides, lifting your left leg high this time. Inhale as you stretch through your leg, opening your hips and lengthening your spine. Hold for 1 minute. The mixture of clouds and fading sun brings a calm energy to the air, and you're moving in sync with it. You're opening, stretching, and feeling every part of your body engage as you find balance. Now slowly get back on your knees. Extend your arms out in front of you and begin to roll your wrists in slow circles. First in one direction, then the other. The clouds may be thickening, but you're focusing on the lightness of your body, releasing any tension held in your wrists and forearms. Move for 1 minute, gently rotating your wrists. With every roll, you're releasing the strain from typing, gripping, and holding. The fresh air is part of the release, and you're loosening up, letting go of the small stresses that build up through the day. Let's finish with the chest opener. Interlace your fingers behind your back, and as you inhale, lift your chest toward the sky. Roll your shoulders back, opening your heart to the last light of the day. Hold for 1 minute. With each inhale, your chest lifts higher, your shoulders relax more. The sky above you might be changing, but you're finding light within, releasing tension from your chest, upper back, and shoulders. The day's weight is falling away, leaving you open and renewed. Beautiful work, fam. In just 10 minutes, you've reconnected with your body, found balance, and built strength to end your day with ease. Feeling energized and ready for more? Check out another stretching video, dive into a quick workout, or unwind with a peaceful meditation. Stay strong, stay flexible. Let's go!